If you are looking for the best multimeter, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. AstroAI Digital Multimeter. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter incorporates a range of helpful features that allow it to perform several valuable functions, as well as some handy durability elements. The large, backlit LCD display is easy to read and clear enough for clear reading in poor visibility conditions or low light levels, making it easy to use in even the worst conditions, while the overload protection keeps the electrical systems of this multimeter safe from electrical surges and overload. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter includes tough rubber corner guards to protect it from impacts from accidents and dropping, as well as an inbuilt kickstand for easy hands-free operation. Number 2. Etekcity Digital Multimeter. This is a high-value, accessible option that provides measurement of a full 10 different functions, although it is not appropriate for all current types. It is small enough to be easy to carry with you at all times for on-the-go electrical measurement at any time. As an added bonus, it also incorporates a durable rubber sleeve for protection, helping to keep the multimeter safe. This multimeter can test AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, diode, continuity and more. The protective rubber sleeve around the multimeter adds extra drop protection. Number 3. Crenova MS8233D Auto Ranging Digital Multimeter. The MS8233D Auto Ranging Multimeter has an illuminated display for taking easy readings and ensures crystal clear test results in low light. It also has an automatic power-off feature that enables itself to turn itself off if it hasn't been in use for more than 15 minutes. The 3.5-digit LCD display makes everything clear for the user, making the taking of readings very easy. This device features over 12 different functions and also has built for a high voltage range and overload protection. Number 4. Innova 3340 Automotive Digital Multimeter. What makes this multimeter stands out is its combination of features that give it an edge over its competitors. It is certified for a safety rating as per the UL. Innova 3340 is the best handheld multimeter and weighs only 1 pound. Users can operate this in various ways. Besides being handheld, this multimeter comes with a stand and wrist strap for hands-free use. This digital multimeter features auto ranging, auto shut-off and overload protection. This is capable of testing both types of electrical current, alternating current. Number 5. Fluke 117 Electricians True RMS Multimeter. The Fluke 117 Electricians True RMS Multimeter is designed for use by electricians and serious DIY users in search of a high-quality, advanced tool. Its true RMS technology allows for easy, safe reading of non-linear loads with a high level of accuracy, while the backlit LED screen makes working in poor lighting and visibility conditions. This is a versatile and durable multimeter that operates in a wide range of temperatures, maintaining its high performance in even the worst conditions. Low input impedance helps prevent false readings due to ghost voltage.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.